What's up, guys? Here's my one wheel. Check this out. This is a pretty small building, right? You wouldn't expect it to have an elevator, but there's an A series. That's right. So why don't we take a ride? I like how the bell goes off when the door closes. Sticky buttons. It's at 560 Oakwood. What the hell? Oh, that presses. That's so weird. Check this out. It presses in a little bit. Bet y'all didn't know that. Look at that stop switch. That's just 2500. Here's the emergency phone. That was fast. Let's do one more ride. Why not? This time we'll be silent. This is fast as hell going down. This thing, literally the trip down in this thing takes like 2 seconds. I don't know why they installed an entire ass elevator here, but I'm not complaining. That's it.